Hey guys, Uber Studios, kicking back, watching some YouTube videos.
How did this even get to my house?
Fuck.
I wanted to tell you something.
I've always wanted to lose my virginity, and I never thought that would be possible.
What is that?
I really hope Mia Khalifa can help me achieve this goal.
I hope so.
Who the fuck's talking to
I know it's going to be a lot of work, but I'm willing to give 110%.
You better be willing to give 138%.
People say you'll meet a good girl at work, but in my line of work, that is never going to happen.
I hope you guys are hearing this.
Yeah, that wasn't even planned.
It's not that I didn't want to have sex, it's just that I'm always busy.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my phone. Hold up, freeze.
I've seen the guy